Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can send a proposal on Upwork application using your mobile phone. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. So first of all, we will simply open the application of Upwork Talent. So you will go back and this is the interface you will open at the screen. So first of all, you will search any of the job which you wanted to select and send the proposal of. So we will view the first one. Hi, there is a small paid trail project to find the right fit for the full social media kit. So you will read the description. The job will, if the job fits on your desired skills, you will simply tap on the job. Make sure the proposals should be less than 5 which have people have sent it. So you will scroll down and read the full proposal, and here is the option of apply now. You will simply tap on apply now. So here is the option of by milestone or by project. So this is the option of how you want to be paid by the client. So by milestone, here you can add a description, and by hourly, it is basically for hourly projects most of the time. The second option is of by project. You will simply tap on by project. You can select any one of the option from here. By project, you want to be paid by project or by milestone. So we will tap on by project. So here second option is of how long will this project take. You will simply select any of the time in which you can proceed with this order. So we will select less than 1 month. So here what you need to do is you will write your cover letter. So here you will write the cover letter. Okay, so if you have any files, you can simply tap on it and attach some files in it. So you will scroll down. So here is the send for 6 connects. When you will tap on send for 6 connect, the proposal will be sended. So this is the simple process of applying on Upwork for a job. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching.